Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best 4G dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best 4G dashcam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 4G car rearview mirror. Specifications. Brand name, no name _ null. Rear camera, yes. Touchscreen, yes. Display size, 11.4 inch. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Chipset manufacturer, Sure2. Display, IPS. OS, Android 14. Storage, 8GB plus 128GB. Number 4 is eMMC JC181 Mini. Specifications. Brand name, eMMC. View angle, 100 degrees to 110 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor AR0230. Pixels, 130 mega. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Interface, SD, eMMC, Micro SD TF. Network, 2G, 4G. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Warranty, 2 years. Weight, 0.4 kilograms. As the item number 3 we've selected, 70mm Dashcam 4K M800. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 146 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, SONY Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Chipset manufacturer, NT985290. Warranty, 365 days. Screen ratio, 16:9. Number 2 is DPI 4K Dashcam Z60 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Pay. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inch. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 3. Warranty, 1 year. On the top of our list at number 1 we have new 70mm 4K Dashcam A810S. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Aperture, f1.7. View angle, 146 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, SONY Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inch to 5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display, IPS. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.4 kilograms.